everyone, I'm Lilies Miftahul Nurrohmah, but you can call me Lilies. So today we're going to make a traditional Indonesian herbal drink called turmeric tamarind jamu, or maybe you might know it as Jamu Kunyit Asam or Kunir Asam. And this jamu is known for its health benefits such as boosting immunity, improving digestion, reducing menstrual pain or dysmenorrhea, and many more. So let's get started. Okay, so because I want to make a large portion, so I need more ingredients. So here's the ingredients I need. First, I have 15 pieces of turmeric and it's already washed and peeled. And then it's enough tamarind, of course. And then 5 pieces of palm sugar. And then if you can see, it contains half teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and of course 1 liter of water. So here's the tools that I use. First, it's we need pot, and then spatula, strainer, blender, glass, and then bottle for storage. First, we need to prepare all of the ingredients and tools. After that, put the turmeric into a blender. Then enough water. Then blend it until smooth. Then pour the blended mixture into a pot. After that, add more water, 5 pieces of palm sugar, enough tamarind, and granulated sugar and salt. Stir until smooth. Then boil over medium heat while stirring occasionally and wait for it to boil. After boiling, turn off the heat and let it sit for 2 until 3 minutes. Let it cool slightly, then strain the mixture to separate the liquid from the pulp. Then pour the liquid into a glass or bottle for storage. Our jamu kunyit asam is ready to serve. Okay, that's it, and our jamu kunyit asam is ready to serve. This jamu has many benefits, health benefits, and it's easy to prepare. So hopefully this video is clear and helpful. Thank you.